Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, it's 6 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a weekday and we are on Mandela highways. I just wanted to look in the right lane to see the traffic that's heading towards Portmore and Spanish Town from Kingston. So this Mandela highway is the busiest road in Jamaica, and you're going to see an example of just how busy. See, in the right lane or the other side of the road, basically, you see the traffic, and this is 6 o'clock in the afternoon. And Mandela Highway is a 6-lane road. There are 3 lanes on either side, and you can see the volume of traffic that's going towards Portmore and Spanish Town, or driving out of Kingston, but the majority is going to Portmore and Spanish Town because outside of Kingston, those areas have the largest population. You can see the police over there trying to prevent people from going on the south shoulder and creating a 4th lane. Okay, and now that gas station, the Fesco gas station, it's not very clear in the camera because of the angle, but it's literally congested. There are cars waiting to go inside the gas station because it's the busiest gas station in the road. It's the busiest gas station in Kingston and St. Andrew, probably in Jamaica. And all you can see the traffic that this road has, and naturally that gas station will be very busy. This is just peak hour traffic. There isn't really much you could do. Even if you put in a 4th lane over there in the mornings, it's the reverse. This side of the road has all the traffic going into Kingston. It's just peak hour traffic. There isn't really much you can do. You just have to let it run off. And this traffic on the other side will probably go to like 8 o'clock at night. Maybe not as bad because this end of the road isn't that backed up, but it's just peak hour traffic. Okay, we're now going on to Washington Boulevard. At the intersection, if we had gone right, we would have gone on to Spanish Town Road, and that would take us into downtown Kingston. So you can see some more police officers hard at work. I must say the police are really trying. But there's so much indiscipline on the roads that, though, I guess we need more traffic police, and we need these camera systems to start working. Okay, this is Washington Boulevard. On the left, we would go, at the stoplight, if we turn left, we'd go into the Haney Park. If we turn right, we're going to Corville Gardens. Now, these intersections have cameras. As we get closer to this intersection, you'll see they have high-end cameras. The cameras can take a picture of everybody's license plate. If the police is looking for a car, all the police has to do is enter the license plate number into the system, and the cameras will flag the car, the license plate, when they find it. So on the right is one of the high-end cameras. So now those cameras are also supposed to issue a ticket when somebody does something wrong. For example, if you run a red light, the camera is supposed to take a picture of the license plate, and the person that the car is registered to, not the person driving, the person that the car is registered to will get the ticket. Now, the law has been passed, the cameras are installed. I'm not sure why the system is not up and running. I really don't know. Maybe I missed something, but I don't know. If anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below. But we need it on the roads because the indiscipline, and I'll give you an example. People run red lights like it's nothing, especially motorbike riders, taxi drivers. They just go right, they come, stop once the intersection is clear, even though the light is red. They just go right through it. That's the kind of indiscipline that's on the roads. So in a case like that now, okay, look on the right above that street, above the stoplight, that's another camera. In a case like that, the camera would catch it, issue a ticket, and when the person goes to, if the person doesn't pay the ticket, when they go to license the car or do any business at the tax office with the car, they won't be able to do it because the ticket is outstanding. So that kind of technology is what we need to help maintain discipline on the roads. And of course, if we had more police, then they could write more tickets. But the camera system is the best way to go. And the system will store a copy of the infraction. So if they go to court and say, no, it wasn't my car, first of all, if they go to court and say, I wasn't driving, it doesn't matter because it's a license plate on the car that they're going to use to issue the ticket. So if you go and say, it wasn't my car, the camera made a mistake, they can easily just pull up the footage and play the video. Okay, this bridge that we just went over, it's going to be expanded soon, later this year. It's going to be 3 lanes. So currently, if you look on the right, you'll see the traffic. It's because those 3 lanes have to merge into 2 because the bridge can only accommodate 2 lanes. So the bridge is going to be widened so it can accommodate 3 lanes on either side, so it will help with the flow of traffic. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and leave comments in the section below. I've learned so much from people telling us, informing us about certain things on the road. Like if once, just as an example, we're in Portmore and there was this restaurant and I couldn't remember the name of the restaurant, and persons left the name of the restaurant in the comment section, and okay, the police are very busy going somewhere, and when we do another video we'll know the name. Another example is there's this corner in Stony Hill called Red Gal Ring, but we had referred to it by a different name, something close but a different name, and persons pointed it out to us, and when we made another video in the area we use the correct name. So leave comments in the section below, and we read them and we use them in the future videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.